How to create videos with CapCut templates. So first you want to open up your project, and then you want to go to the templates menu from the top here. And with templates selected, you can search for whatever template you want to use. So for example, I want to use this template here, so I can hover over it and click on it once to download it if I don't have it already. And then you can click again or click on the plus button to add it to your timeline. Now you would need to click on it on the timeline, and you can adjust the volume for the video. You can also adjust the music volume. And then you would need to replace any placeholders for clips or images with your own media. So for example, I can click on here, one clip to be replaced, click on it, and then click again here and pick my own clip. Now you would need to also add any additional text edits, effects, or transitions if needed. And then you will need to preview your video. You can do that by clicking on the play here. And then you can just preview your video. And once you're happy with the result, you can basically export and start using your video. And that's pretty much it for this video, and see you on the next one.